what are the interfaces of a moving floor in a stationary application? First of all, we have the inlet. How do we tip the material into an open silo? This is quite simple. We can imagine a screw conveyor, a bed conveyor filling the moving floor silo, or we have a front loader, we have a grapple, we have a crane doing the same thing. But the outlet is quite difficult. The outlet of a moving floor is difficult because the moving floor itself does not meter the product coming out of it. If you have seen once a moving floor trailer discharging quickly all the bulk material that is inside such a trailer, you see that the bulk material falls like a landslide onto the street, and this is not something that we would like to happen in a process. Therefore, in a stationary application, we have to find metering functions, such as metering drum. I've shown you some of these metering drums in the background pictures. What is the ideal position of such a metering drum in reference to a moving floor? Well, you can imagine such a metering drum at 3 o'clock in front of such a moving floor, or at 1 o'clock underneath such a moving floor, or you can imagine such a metering drum with a moving floor reaching underneath the metering drum until 7 o'clock position, or the other way around, the moving floor stopping before at 5 o'clock. So depending on your material, depending on the conditions, on the throughput, and the particle size of your product, composition of your product, you will have to find out which is the ideal position of the metering drum or another metering device in reference to the position of the moving floor. Therefore, you find many different devices on the market, and you have to look at their aptitude to fulfill your requirements.